Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Just want to give you guys a little tip. If you guys have this issue with your fob key remote being stuck in the fob key remote socket, all right, a lot of these situations you'll be able to turn the car on, you'll be able to turn the car off. However, the remote the remote itself won't come out of the socket. A lot of times when this happens, it won't come out of that socket unless you use some force to pull it out. Now, a lot of people who have this issue would probably think that there's some kind of mechanism that is broken inside that won't release the key fob, but there is no mechanism inside that actually keeps the key fob inside, except for the shape of the socket of the area. So basically, what you're gonna have to do in that situation is you're gonna have to pull it out by force, even with a plier. All right, and the reason for that is there is a little plastic part, a little plastic guard that over time wears out. And over time, when it wears out, it'll catch, or it'll fall off, and it'll catch some portion of any of the grooves of the fob key. And when that happens, it'll keep the fob key it'll keep you from pulling out the fob key remote. So in that case, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to use a plier. Or if you're strong enough to pull it out, you're gonna have to pull it out by hand. It's not gonna damage anything, because the reason why it's doing that is because the plastic part actually either fell off or is not flat to the surface. And since it's not flat to the surface, it gets snagged on the remote, and then you have this issue where you're not able to take that fob key out as normally as you would. So if you have that situation come up, definitely just pull it out by hand, by force, with a plier or whatever, because that little plastic part, you're not going to be able to save that plastic part. I mean, at that point, that little plastic part, it doesn't really function as far as starting your car or keeping you from starting your car. It's just a plastic guard. So just pull it out and look for that plastic guard, and you could take that plastic guard out and throw it away or whatever. And after that, your fob key will work as it did before. You can just put it in, push it in, take it out normally without that guard, keeping it from you being able to slide out. So that's the trick to it. If you have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.